Now we will start our session. So guys, in previous session, we started about the module chapter. We started about module chapter. Okay. So here, what is module? What is the purpose of the module? How to creating module and how many types of modules there and how many ways we are importing. Okay. How to renaming a module. So these the major points we discussed, guys. Functions we discussed. After the functions modules related we started. So what is module? A module is nothing but a Python file which contains a collection of classes, functions or attributes or methods, statements simply. Okay, a module is nothing but a Python class. In Python, every .py file we are considering like a module which contains the group of functions or methods or classes or statements for reusability purpose. What is the purpose of module means? Creating one time using n number of times. For more reusability purpose, we can use a module. Functions within the module only we can reuse, but modules we can reuse inside another module also. Group of statements, if we want to be reuse functions, we are using group of functions. If we want to be reuse in another module, then we can use module concept. Okay, how to creating means just like a Python file we are creating. So next, how many types there here? How many types there? How many types there in the chat box? Give reply. Types of modules. We have three types of modules, guys. We have three types of modules. So one is predefined module, another one is user-defined module, and third one is third-party module. How many types of module means three types: predefined, user-defined, third-party modules. Predefined modules means along with software coming. The modules which are coming along with the software, then those modules we are calling uh, predefined modules. So now here, how many types of module there? So for this purpose, predefined module there, and next user defined module there, and the next third party module there. Simply three types there, guys. Predefined, user defined, third party related. So predefined modules along with the Python software we are getting when we are installing. So for example, OS module, path module, JSON module, RE module, okay, like several modules there, guys. Datetime module, all the things along with the software coming, and we can use them when we want to use. And next, user-defined modules means as a developer, as per our requirement, sometimes we require to create our own modules. Then those modules we are calling user-defined modules or else developer-defined modules. Predefined modules also called as the system-defined modules. Require these predefined modules. Just using import keyword, we can import here and we can use them. This module related properties, we can use them. Next, third party modules means along with the Python software not getting, and as a developer, we are not creating. So somebody developed and they kept in the internet, then those modules we are considering like third party modules. Third party modules. Third party modules are using in our user defined development means by using the pip Python installer package. Python installer package. Pip stands for Python installer package. So using this pip command, we are going to downloading these third-party modules. So in internet, third-party modules available, guys. So in the web, in web location, available third-party modules. So pip is connecting to the internet, searching for required module, finding that module, downloading that module, installing that module. Everything is done by pip only. So whenever we are using the pip command, the internet must be required in our machine. Then only it is connecting to the web. One time required internet. So and downloading the required module. After downloading the required module, that is storing in the predefined modules location. So predefined modules were available in Python, in the C drive Python software is that they're available predefined modules. So this third party module also will come and store in the predefined module location. Later this predefined module we can use, or third party module also we can use when we are developing user defined modules. So inside the user defined modules, all predefined modules, third party module together we are using and developing our required logics. Okay, remember this point, guys. So pip command, whenever we are installing Python software, it is coming. Pip path also we are adding in the environment variable section along with the Python path. Python interpreter we added there only. This is also added in the environment variable section. So that's why using command prompt directly we can install.
Recording in progress.
Sorry, so far not recorded. Okay, guys, these all things are revision points only I'm giving. No, don't worry. New topic not discussed today. Okay, just now recording. So in the last session, modules related started. What is module? Purpose of the module discussed. Creating module discussed, guys. How many types of module they are discussed? Predefined there, user defined there, third party there. Predefined means along with the software we are getting some modules called predefined. For example, JSON module, OS module, RE module. Okay, like several math modules, several modules there. User defined module means as a developer we are creating as per our requirement. For example, a demo.py, sample.py, addition.py, like that. Third party modules means so along with the software not coming as a developer, we are not creating, some other developer they created, they kept in the internet. So those modules we are calling third party modules. So using the pip command, we can download and install the third party modules. Where is available pip means in our Python software location, we have a scripts folder. Inside that pip is there. Using this pip, we can download it. Whenever we are using the pip, internet is must be required. This is communicating to internet, downloading the module available in the predefined module location. That is, we can use in this user defined module location. Okay, so these points remember. And next, how many ways we can import the modules? Three ways we can import. I said three ways we can import. So one is a direct import, guys. Okay, directly here I'm writing coding only. So import module name. Import the module name, like we can import directly. And the second one is from import. From import we are calling from module name. From the module name import star. This is simply we are calling a star import. Star import we are calling as direct import, star import. Direct import means import keyword we are using, module name we are using. And now here, this module properties, if we want to be use module name dot, it's a property name, guys. So property module name dot property name, like we are using. Okay, so every time module name is required here. And star import if we are using, then directly property name only we can use it. Directly property name we can use it without module name. Okay, so remember that. Next here, third variation is important. From module name, import property name. Directly property name 1, property name 2, like a number of properties we can import whatever we want. Then here directly property name 1. Okay, wherever you want, there you can use that particular property names. So directly property name we can use it. The three variations we can import, guys. This last one is the suitable one in the real time. Okay, most of the people using these third variations. Remember that. Next, how to renaming a module. How to renaming a module. So using the as keyword, using as keyword, guys. Using as a keyword, we are renaming a module. Using as a keyword, simply using as is a keyword in Python. Using this as a keyword, we can renaming a module name or its property names. For example, so import math as a yum, like we can write import math as yum, like you can import math module now onwards, we can use like a yum only. So otherwise another variation. So from math module import in this math module we have a factorial property as f, like I'm importing from the math module, importing the factorial as a f. Means now onwards, instead of factorial we can use f of 5, f of 6, like we can use it. Okay, this is concept of the renaming. Simple points, guys. Simple points. You need to do revision like this. All of you clear? Renaming related. So whenever we are importing a module or renaming a module, I mean, whenever we are importing a module or importing a property name, so we are getting most of the times two kind of errors. Two kind of errors we are getting. One is module not found error. This one we are getting. Another one is import error we are getting. Okay. So simply open the Python ideally software. Open the Python ideally software. So when we are getting the module not found error means whenever we are trying to be importing a module, if that module is not available, math2 math2 is not there. That's why module not found error like we are getting. So math is available. If module is available, then directly importing. Okay. Next, from math import from math import factorial. So factorial. Now see here. So successfully from this module importing the factorial successfully available. Factorial 2 I'm using. So this property name not available to import. Then we are getting import error. Import error we are getting as. Okay, property is available, but this module only not available. Then module not found error we are getting. Okay. So these are two errors most of the times we are getting. Do remembering. Okay. Yes, yes. Next, how to reload a module? How to reload a module more than one time? This is also one question, guys. How to reload a module? Okay, more than one time. Okay, this is the coding wise we need to discussing. Then only will understanding. Here simply we can say like by using by using a reload method by using reload method of import lib module. Okay, so by using reload method of import lib module, we can reload a module more than one time. We can reload a module more than one time by using a reload method of import lib module. This point remember. So import lib means library, import library meaning. So in this module we have a reload method. Using that we can reload a given module more than one time. By default, even though n number of times we are importing, just Python is considering like one time importing only. More than one time, if we want to be import, we can use this concept. I will show you these all things practically, just wait. Okay. So now coding wise, we will discuss it guys, these points. So here, control O. In the last session, in the D drive 80 AM batch, modules folder I created. Here, the one basic module file also I created this. Okay. So contains statements, contains functions, function calling statements there, some normal print statement there, some variable there, like all I created guys. So this is the module 1. Next, module 2 I want to be created guys, one more module. Okay, so this is I don't want one more module, save it, and here only I'm going to use like a module 2.py. So just module 1, module 2, module 3, like module names I'm using here. Okay. Now here I want to be create one module with two functions, guys. Def add function I'm creating, add of x comma y. Okay, otherwise simply like add function. Inside this n1 equal to, so int of next input of so now here enter first number. Read the two numbers from the user and find the sum of them. Sum of them. This is our program right now here. Second number. Okay, n1, n2. Two numbers reading and result equal to n1 plus n2, and then so return result. So wherever we are calling this function to there, this result is returning. Otherwise, if you don't want this line, then simply if you want to be reduce the lines of code, then n1 plus n2, like we can write it. So this is addition function related logics. Next here, one more function, sub means subtraction related. So n1 minus n2, like I'm writing. Okay, just two functions there here, two functions. If I want to call, this is a module, guys, module 2. This is one module. Every .py is like one module. So if I want to be use these functions within this module, then wherever we want, there we can call it. There we can call it print also we can use for printing the result. Okay, so why means whenever we are calling like this logic is executing, finally return result to this location using this print function we are printing. Okay, yes, now you can see here, enter the first number 10, second number 20, 30 result came. Next here, normal print statement I'm using. So for example, hello, one hello message getting. Again, one more time, if I want this print function calling, then we can print it. Okay, so 20, 30, and 50 printing, hello printing, normal print message. Again, calling the function. So next time, different values we can use. Okay, so like this n number of times we can call this function, create one time with a group of statements, n number of times we can call it. That is called function reusability. Are you clear, everyone? Yes. So functions contains a group of statements. These all group of statements using the function name we can reuse within this module. Within this module n number of times. So sometimes we require to import, we require to reuse these modules in another module, not within the same module. In another module, I want to reuse these functions. In that situations, module concept we are using. Okay. So remember, these things I'm not using. Okay. This is our module right now. This is our module 2 related module. Next, one more module I want to be create. Save it. And this name, save like module 3. Module 3. This module name is like a module 3 I'm saving. Okay, see here, this is a module 2, this is a module 3. So this entire module 2 related properties I want to be import into module 3. So how many ways we are importing, that is I said here 3 ways we can import. Whatever you want you can use it. Okay, so here directly using import keyword, module name, module 2 we can use. Okay, so this is the module 2, guys, and now here module 3 is there. So this entire module 2 I'm importing. .py is not required, just like module name is enough. Import followed by module 2. Because of this, in this module 2, what are the properties there? All are importing here. All are importing. If I want to only add, if I want to be only add module, then just you can use like this. From module 2, import add, like we can write. This is the third one related. From the module name, import property name. Just one property, add property only imported. Yeah, this is the third one. So instead of this, if I'm using like this, if I'm using like this here star, then from the module 2, all properties are importing. Later onwards, wherever we want to use those properties, then property names just we can use. Like add we can use. That's it. Sub we can use. Here sub we can use. Okay, that's it. But in this situation, module name is what? Module name is module 2 dot add module 2 dot sub like we require to be use it. We require to be use it guys like this. Okay. So if you are importing like this, you can use like this. Any one variation, all the variations I'm giving here, you can check it. So if I'm importing star related, then directly property names we can use it. This is a second variation related. And if you are importing like this, from the so-and-so module import property, just this property only we are able to use it. Add property. Subtraction, we are unable to use it. So now you can see whenever I'm executing module 2, this module 3 I'm executing, then so asking enter first number 30, enter second number 40. So then result getting here, this is we need to be print it. So here we can write to print. And the message also, if you want, you can write the addition result is the addition result is like we can write, and now here 30 40, the addition result is 70. Understanding? So now here in the module 3 guys, I didn't develop the add functionality, just I'm using. So same like if I'm trying to use subtraction related subtraction, the subtraction result is sub. If I'm using, now you can see here first addition related 20 30. Next this addition printed, and then trying to be importing this subtraction related. So subtraction not imported, that's why this name error showing. Sub is not defined in this module 3. In the module 3, sub is not defined. If you want to be use a sub, then here we can use a sub. Then subtraction also we are able to use it. After importing, this is available in the memory allocation, then we can use them. Okay, check it now here 20 30. So result addition result is 50. Now 40 20. Subtraction result is 20. Like we are getting. All of you clear? From the user only, if you want to read the input, user wants to do addition or subtraction or multiplication, then also you can do it guys by writing some additional logics. Okay, just now I imported add sub, two modules I imported. Next I want to be create here two functionalities guys. Two functionalities I want to be import. So multiplication and division related. So here I'm writing one is multiplication related, just like MUL I'm using. And the multiplication means into we are using into. And one more thing is division related div. And now here division related I used. Okay. So here two properties there, and here two more properties there. Totally four properties available. So we can use those all properties. Now here multiplication. The multiplication result is mul we can use, and the division result is div, like we can use it. Okay, so totally four properties we are using as. So in the module 3, in this module 3, two properties only developed and two more properties, addition and subtraction, we imported from module 2. We imported from module 2. Okay. Now in the module 3, totally four properties available right now. These all four properties we can import into the module 4. In another module, we can import without writing. Okay. Like that, we can reuse it. We can reuse it. All of you clear? Yes, now if I'm executing module 3 related, so here see first number, second number like asking, but I want to read guys addition, subtraction, whatever I want to do, I want to read from the user only. Okay, first I will give this one. So 30, 20, 50 result adding. Next 30, 20 subtraction printing 10. Next 30, 20 multiplication 600. 30, 20 division related 1.5 return. But which operation I want, that operation I want to do it guys. Okay. So now here, instead of doing like this, simply if you want, you can create one while loop concept guys. While loop, while, while true, while true means until this while expression value true is there, while condition value true is there, this while loop related statements are repeatedly executing print. So here I will write a message. Please select, please select your required operation. Please select your required operation like I'm displaying message. Then you can write print messages. So one is okay, add addition related addition operation you want, or subtraction you want, or like something. Okay, so okay, addition I'm using. One is for addition, two is for subtraction, three multiplication, division. Subtraction, multiplication, and here division. Okay, like four operations there guys. So value equal to, so from the user I want to read the input. So input method in the form of string reading guys. So assumption here, user if he entered 2, it means string format value is there here. So we need to be write the conditions. If value double equal to string format 2, value double equal to string format 2. Okay. So here string formatted related two value there. 2 double equal to 2. 2 double equal to 2 guys. Okay. Then yes matching. If matching, then which function you are going to call? So 2 is for subtraction related. Then sub function you can call it. After printing sub, then you can break it. Only subtraction they want. Only subtraction they want. Okay. Like we are writing all the logics guys. So if value double equal to 1, if 1 entered, then add function we are calling, and then break it, and then break it. So if user not entered value 1, then elif condition we are checking. Okay. If value double equal to 2, then break it. And next here, so if value double equal to 3, if value double equal to 3, then multiplication related. So next, if value double equal to 4, then division related. Okay, break it. And finally, else, else, one print message I will write. Okay, I want to be exit also, guys. Directly, I want to be exit also. Then here, so if if value double equal to 5, then so directly I'm going to be breaking means existing. Okay, exist related. So I will write this option also here. One fourth option also I will write print. So 5. Do you want exist? Do you want exist? Yes, you can click on this 5. Then you are going to be existing. Okay. So other than these operations, any other operation if selecting, so please select valid option like giving. Okay. So now check it guys. All of you understanding while loop related? While true, until this is the true, this loop is repeatedly executing. So when you are selecting 1 addition calling, 2 subtraction, 3 multiplication, 4 division, 5 exit. Just for user confirmation, like displaying for user understanding purpose, messages displaying, then here from the user input reading. It is just like ATM center. When we are entering into the ATM center, guys, it is asking, please select your operations, withdraw, deposit, balance inquiry, like that. Whatever the button we are pressing, that button related operations performing. Okay. And later cancel is there, exit is there, buttons, whatever you want, you can execute it. So now here, see here, please select your required operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Do you want to execute like that? So if I'm entering 1 is belongs to addition related. So now it is asking enter first number 30, second number 20. Okay. So this result we need to be printed, guys. See here, just a function calling I'm using. So instead of function calling, so you can write print related. Okay, print related we can write. Or else here message you can write the addition of or the addition result. Like we can write same like subtraction related also. Multiplication related. So here this is what the sub related subtraction. This is the multiplication related mul. This is the division related div. Okay, now here 1. Wait. 1 I enter. So enter first number 30, enter second number 20. So the addition result is 50. Okay, completing guys. This is completing and I stopped break also. So whenever one more time executing, so subtraction I entered. So 30, 20. The subtraction result is 10, like displaying. Okay, one more time. So if I'm entering 5, then stopping. If you want one confirmation message also, thank you for choosing exit operation, like something message you can write, something message, whatever you want. Okay. And if I'm using like here, so something 8 operation not there, 8 operation not there. That's why please select valid option. Okay. And only available options displaying. So out of this, any one option you can choose it. So if I'm choosing 4, it is a division related, multiplication related. Okay, 4 is a division, 4 is a division related. So if I'm using 10, then result we are getting. Are you clear this one? So this is the module 3, guys. In this module 3, 2 properties only I developed, multiplication and division. And from the module 2, addition, subtraction imported, and all together using this while loop concept, from the user only input reading related to these operations, particular operation I'm executing. If I'm not using like this, just a print statement, a print div, print sub, if I'm using all operations one after another executing. So come on, let me know in the chat box. Is this program everyone understanding? Yes or no? Basic coding. So here while concept we discussed, conditions we discussed, functions how to creating we discussed, how to calling we discussed. Same logics on the used. Right, Karen, are you understanding? Yes, invalid option whenever giving. So it is displaying again options. ATM center programs, ATM machine banking related programs like this only developing. So 1 is for withdraw money, 2 is for balance inquiry, 3 is for deposit money, like Four is for pin changing related, like options displaying on the screen, buttons there, whatever the button we are pressing, that option value submitting to program. So whenever they are selecting the withdraw related, then immediately please enter your amount asking. You are entering something amount, so taking that amount again checking. So the whatever the amount user entered, so that amount available or not in the so and so account or not, like checking. Okay. So if amounts not sufficiently there, then insufficient funds in your account like displaying. If the amounts available, withdrawing and remaining balance so and so like showing. So like a lot of operations we can do banking related. Okay, now, so this module 3, this program is enough guys. I will create one more module. So I will use another one. So control N and control S, saving. So here module4 like saving. So this module 3 I don't want to be disturbed, and this module 1 also I don't want to be disturbed. So this all I will close it. Simply right now only module 4 is there. Module 4 is there. Here we can write some lines of code guys. We can write. So one print statement is there here. One print statement. I am from module 4. I am from module 4, like one print statement is there. And next, so here one function also we can create it if we want. Okay, just like one statement only. One statement only. I am from a module 4. See here, if I'm executing this program, then directly I'm getting I am from a module 4. Okay. N number of times whenever we are executing, same output I'm getting. Okay. Yes. So this is a module 4 related. I want to be create another module. So the name is module 5. Module 5 dot py. Module 5 dot py. Okay. Here one more function also you can create. Def add of def add of. So here x comma y, if we are using, so then this x and y values from the calling location we can send it in the form of arguments. That is all your wish. Return x plus y. Return x plus y. Okay. Wherever you are calling this add function, there you can pass the values. So this result we are getting as. Okay. Now here, this is the module 5. In the module 4, these two there. One print statement there, one property there. So import module 4. Import module 4. It means, so this is the module 4 related guys. These all things are importing to here. So one print statement is there. This print is directly importing here, directly executing this one. Next, add function also importing, but add function whenever we are calling, then only executing. Okay, remember that point. So now see here, module 5, I'm going to be executing. So now see, I am from a module 4 executing. Okay, at the time of loading only, module 4 related, this print statement executing, and this is a loading only, but not calling. Okay, yes. Next, this